Are you looking to integrate AI into your business but don't know where to start? At Equitysoft Technologies, we help businesses to turn their AI solutions into real scalable business. I am Parth Rajani, founder at Equitysoft Technologies. We specialize in AI-powered mobile applications, web solutions that innovate digitally and grow your business. We don't just build AI, we build solutions that reduce your manual work, improve your customer experience, improve your revenue, and give you a complete advantage of the business. From idea validations to architect, development, deployment, and ongoing support. Our team will ensure your AI solutions will be secure, scalable, and it will really impact in your business. And that's how our process is. So what actually we do here? We do AI-powered mobile applications, AI web solutions, AI agents, AI chatbots, workflows, AI automation systems, data-driven system, AI SaaS product, and many other AI software solutions. We are also proud to be a Fiverr Pro and top-rated seller to delivery across the world. So, if you are ready to build an AI product today, let's discuss your idea. Let's contact us